I have grown an addiction to matcha. Look at all.
That's so good.
It looks so good.
Like that will ever happen again, I swear.
Okay, I'm gonna try to take them out now, because wait, don't pour yet, okay? Have a routine for my self-care.
So, would you like some coffee?
Yes, please.
I left my window open last night, so now my room is completely freezing cold. Ugh, it's so cold. Literally just putting these over my PJs because I'm too lazy to take them off, so that's fine. This is our random egg collection. We're saving eggs for Easter, so they're all cleaned out and ready to be stuffed. Did you want some toast?
Do I want to be toast?
Yeah.
You can have it. Fill them right away.
Always get the middle. Smashed bread.
Richard Gilmore. On there. I do. I really do. And I'm so sorry. Nothing like that will ever happen
I've
again.
been kind of addicted to watching Gilmore Girls. This is my first time watching it, and I definitely understand why people like it so much.
From this very old Italian woman who used to... So, would you like some coffee?
Yes, please.
Oops. These are like eating candy. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So I'm not one to be a tea person, but for some reason I have grown an addiction to matcha, which is so funny because I've tried so many different matchas from so many different places. They were so not good. I don't like tea. I don't like matcha. For some reason, I've been really liking matcha. I don't know what happened to my taste buds where all of a sudden I'm drinking matcha. I've been using it as a substitution for coffee. I think it's just because of the way that I make it. I put a shiz ton of vanilla syrup.
Very brave.
I kind of just want to recap how this month has been lately. I've been going to places. I just came back from a camping trip to Morro Bay. It was so pretty. The weather out there was a little windy. Like literally the day that we were gonna leave, the weather was absolutely beautiful. I don't think I'll be going on any more trips for a while. So now I just want to sit and put myself together because I feel like I've been on the go from the beginning of the year till now. I feel like I haven't had time to just sit down and like really be with myself and like do good things for myself. I feel like I just need a whole like deep clean and restart of my space area, which is something that I felt like I should have done in the beginning of the year as a fresh start, but I haven't, and so I kind of just feel like I've been, I don't know how to explain it. It's really hard to explain, but I just feel like I need a restart in my space and in my brain mentally. So speaking about taking care of myself, I have been taking some vitamins, but for my hair. I've been taking these vitamins. This video is sponsored by hairtamin. I've been using their gummies for a very long time. I literally have a stack full of these containers because I actually do use them. This bottle is already almost done. They gave me some gummies to try out for a couple of months. I've been taking them and I actually see some results in my hair. I'm gonna talk about them a little bit later on throughout the video.
Like that? So I can do the other side the same. If not, I won't do the other side.
Perfect, just like that.
That's not a lot of hair.
That's how much hair we cut off.
For you, it is.
So much better. Now I have a lot more volume in my hair than before.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I have a lot more volume now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I just cut my hair right now. Just a small trim, just so that way I have a little bit more volume right here. So a lot of people think that I have hair extensions. There's nothing wrong with hair extensions, but I don't have hair extension. This is my real hair. This is all real. Something that I have actually been using for a couple months now is hairtamin. They're very kind enough to send me some gummies that I can try out for a couple months, and I have been using them. I do really like them. One, they taste delicious. Two, they have actually been helping my hair. So I have noticed that it has gotten stronger using these, and I've definitely noticed the softness. So while I talk a little bit more about the product, I don't want you guys to just sit there and watch my face talk the whole time. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my curls, because a lot of people ask me how I curl my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm using a 1.5 inch curler, and I'm just curling my hair away from my face. So hairtamin includes 5,000 mcg of clinical strength biotin. Their gummies are also infused with vitamins, antioxidants, and superfruits such as turmeric, vitamin C, B12, folic acid, zinc, and many more. They are clean, vegan, and cruelty free. They also have a shampoo and conditioner. Sadly, I was using the shampoo and conditioner, but I left it at a hotel. Some shampoos leave my hair like super just flat and not fluffy, but I did notice that the hairtamin shampoo did give me really good volume. I wish I did not leave it at the hotel. I'm probably just gonna purchase it on my own because I actually did like the volume that it gave my hair. Okay, I actually want to try rollers because I've never tried them before. I just put my hair into a ponytail and I sectioned off the top. So let's try these rollers. I'm only doing this so that way like my hair, I want to see if my curls stay or look like nicer. Okay, got one in. So I normally just take 2 of these a day in the morning with any vitamins that I usually take. So I know with people with hair gummies, they expect to get a result like automatically. These ones do give fast results. You can definitely see results after 90 days. So really invest your time in it. It is something that obviously you're not going to see within a day, but trust me, there are results. The main reason why I love hairtamin so much is because they will give you your money back if you feel like it has not worked for you. If you don't see any results, or if you don't like somehow you don't like it, you can send your empty bottles back and get all your money back. I think the best way to explain how my hair feels right now is like virgin hair. I kind of got tired doing the rolls, and I don't usually normally do it. Well, I only did like the top of my head. And then for my bangs part, I just take a little bit and I roll it over, hold it there. Okay, I'm gonna try to take them out now because I don't really think they did anything. Okay. I don't think I needed the rollers because I get this exact same hair look every time I do it. So if you do plan on buying it, I suggest that you buy the bundles because you do save a lot more money by buying 3 or 6 month supply. Plus you get additional savings when you use code Isabella20. Okay, I want to make chocolate chip cookies right now because right now I have a sweet tooth. We're gonna see how this goes.
So the supposed to go through here?
No, the chocolate, the flour.
Also it has to go inside these little holes?
Yes!
I got it right.
I've been wanting chocolate chip cookies.
Oh!
Woo! Nice. That was good. 1 cup of butter. Wait, let's make sure it's all
Ew, look at it.
filled.
Yeah,
1 cup.
yeah, let me do it. After you do that,
Magic. Where is? Come here, I'm gonna get a knife.
I'm gonna try doing it.
Okay, let me see.
Ah,
We're gonna put it in
yeah, I'm gonna use the spoon.
on the edge. There you go. Okay, help me crack it. Okay.
Okay.
Don't put the shell on it. No, it's right here. A little bit.
That looks like medicine.
Is that all?
That's so good.
It looks so good.
Yeah.
It does look good. Okay, we already put in the flour, and what else do we put in, Jeremiah? The flour and what?
And
Baking soda.
yeah.
So now we just need the salt. We're gonna do half a teaspoon of salt. Second one. Number 2, yeah. Is it too much powder for you?
Yeah. Look at the color on this side.
Oh shoot. camera to start. So now we're going to iPhone footage.
There we go.
That's it?
No. I'm making it regularly, 2 at a time.
Like that?
Now take one. Take one.
Okay, mix now. Just a little bit.
I'm going to make this one too. 2?
2.
I feel like we need more.
Okay, we're ready. They look white because we didn't have any brown sugar, so we just used more sugar. You know, not the best cookies, but they're gonna be made with love, so that's what really matters.
Can I talk to you alone, please?
You need something to drink.
I want to apologize about the other night.
Well, I am very, very sorry to hear that. Now, was it a fairly new van?